primarily.
Like I've never seen a faucet do the dance. You gotta love when you come and you end up doing 4 things or whatever. It's fine on a Sunday. Where's your fire extinguisher?
It's back there. It's just a little bit hidden behind the bowl.
Okay, it goes
Oh, you want us to keep it right there?
Yeah.
accessible.
Sorry.
What the heck's going on in
I
here?
know, we just got a lot of problems. I think I stuffed too much stuff on it.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Sunday. I got a call from one of my properties I manage about a dishwasher again without with a no drain issue. So it must be appliance month. So I'm gonna go there, and I also have a toilet to install. So I'm gonna go do the go look at that dishwasher first, and then go pick up a toilet and go install that back at it's actually at Nate's house. So yeah, I'll do that, and I'll see you guys at the first job. Get it.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
See?
Just so you know, I record all my fixes, okay?
Yep.
Yeah, no problem.
Don't get you guys. Just do the job.
You get the kids, they might make it famous.
I do post on YouTube. I have a channel.
Open
you?
up. Hey.
Lucy, who's that?
We should have let her outside.
Open the door.
Outside, homeless?
So what's it doing?
Hey.
Hey, the puppy. Hi.
So, we'll put it on the cycle, like the normal cycle and everything. It'll run for a little bit, fill up.
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden, that will happen. And it doesn't seem to want to drain it right away. And then
Does it try to drain, stop, try to drain?
Yeah, so like it'll just
Okay.
beep
Oh, sorry,
and it won't do anything.
I literally had the same thing Friday. Friday?
I've seen one of his videos.
Who am I? What's my name?
I can't remember the name of it. It kind of just came up, so I decided to watch it.
Lucy.
Did you subscribe? Did you say I know that guy?
I can't subscribe to anything. I have to be YouTube.
Or you don't have like an account?
Yeah, you just have to I have to sign up for it.
Yeah. It's called the Silent Handyman.
I thought.
Hi.
This in here, I was just like, yeah, I'm not touching nothing.
That's good.
It's been working too, like perfectly fine.
Yeah.
But just all of a sudden, just out of nowhere, stopped. I like it.
Well, the one thing with this model, well, I'm not sure of all Samsung. There's a little flap in here, and sometimes that gets messed up, and it won't let it drain, or it.
Is there like a filter we should be taking out from like food debris or anything?
No.
Like,
No.
okay. but like he's a super nice dude though.
Yeah.
He's got a cute 3-legged dog.
Yeah, he told me about that.
He's adorable.
One of your dogs are digging a hole.
Yeah, it's mine. I gotta fix it.
Yeah, it has to be filled because we get a lot of rain or something.
Yeah.
That all goes down. This house
Like in the
being as
backyard.
old.
Like in my backyard? Or a different spot?
No, right in the common area. Through the gate.
Oh.
Before you go into the laundry room.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna guess it's yours going under the deck.
Yeah, we're trying to stop her from
And then-
doing it, but...
But with this being like a brick foundation,
Yeah, fair, yeah.
all the water, and then
Yeah,
you'll see.
can we just fill it with like regular dirt?
Just put the dirt back. Yeah, it's
Okay.
there.
Okay. Yeah, I know. It should...
I got 3. I know what you go through. So anyway.
Trust me, we're trying to stop her from doing it. Oh yeah, sorry about all this stuff. Probably could have moved it, but...
Beautiful dog. Want to say hi? Hi. Hey, look at you. You got a shock collar and everything.
It's a vibrating collar actually.
Oh, it only vibrates?
It beeps, like there's a shock option, but I don't like it.
Who's that? Who's that? Who is it? Okay, I gotta listen.
Lucy, no, go. So I'm just gonna say that pot doesn't like get enough heat. So
Oh yeah, we used the cast iron before. That's right. My bad.
Don't. I tried to do it and you're gonna mess up the beads.
Okay, it sends, it's filling. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh, kiss it. Kiss it.
Trying to freaking.
You're a great, what is it? Great, that's not a great name.
She's a Mastiff King Corso mix.
Yeah, you're going to be a
She's only 7
big
months right
girl.
now. She's already like 60, almost 70 pounds.
You smell dishwasher stuff.
Yeah, she tries to eat, like lick the water when we like load it.
I have a boxer bulldog about 7 months.
She's a good dog, but did you know that she's digging in the common area by the washer and dryer?
Yeah,
So we have to
she's-
fill that.
I have a lot of this.
Okay, so it's filled. Yeah.
Mom, there's only 70 people left. But there's actually 71.
Lucy, back up.
There's 71 people, including me. I'm a tree.
You're freaking bigger than me. I wouldn't have
Mom,
done
my
that.
skin is the Christmas tree.
I was thinking freaking water's gonna just start flowing out. Watch out, Lucy.
Lucy,
Lucy.
come. Did you grab one of the trees out of your baby?
Yeah, 1 second.
We're draining. What we have to know is it does the full cycle, right? Or does it doesn't get this far?
It doesn't. Usually it doesn't even get to the draining part. It'll drain a little bit and then it stops.
Okay. It drains, stops draining, then finishes draining.
And then, yeah.
Because it senses how much water and weight.
Yeah, it finishes draining like after 10 minutes. It'll beep like a crap load and then it will finally drain, but then it doesn't finish its cycle.
Okay.
Can you pass me that bag of tree food, the blue one? Thank you.
What other property manager brings you coffee? That's what I want to know.
Oh, none. Never actually had a property manager.
Okay, now that I canceled it, it's do you have dishes? Is that all ready to go?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so put those in, hit the express wash 60.
Okay.
Does an hour, and then text me, let me know
Okay.
if it finishes it. But
Oh, I don't know if we're gonna be able to though. Did we
Yeah.
use the last one?
No.
Oh, it's still in there. Okay, perfect. Gotta go get more today.
I don't think tin foil is a good idea for this. Sorry.
Look at him.
if you
Yeah, you're
want
not
I'm
to.
still gonna go downstairs and I'll turn your water pressure up so you can see.
Okay.
Is this on the right?
Yeah.
This is also the unit that I just did that routine maintenance drain cleaning on. If you guys haven't watched that one, feel free to go back. Maybe link it in the description. You gotta love when you come and you end up doing 4 things at whatever. It's fine on a Sunday. How was it?
It's perfect now. Like you can, I barely.
It's a lot of pressure, eh, for that faucet?
I had the sink barely on, and he just went and turned the shower on, and like, it's like fine now.
It's almost surprising the amount of.
We weren't complaining about it, like we just worked around it, right? Like we had laundry, or fucking Aaron had laundry in there.
Like I've never seen a faucet do the dance. It's a lot.
Yeah.
I like it that way though.
I'm just saying, with the water pressure that we did have, she still managed to get it all over the floor when she was doing dishes.
Leave me alone.
Where's your fire extinguisher?
It's back there. It's just a little bit hidden behind the bowl.
Okay, it goes
Oh, you want us to keep it right there?
accessible.
Sorry. Yeah.
All right, so let me know. Text me after that hour, see if it works. If it does, good.
Perfect.
Well, so far it's already done longer than what I did.
I'm actually going to Depot now. I got another job, so I'll look for that handle for that door too.
Okay, perfect. Thank
Sounds
you.
like a busy Sunday for you.
I woke up with a kink yesterday, so I didn't do anything.
Oh, that's the worst. Thank you.
All right, guys, take care.
Say bye.
Bye.
Here's the tagline. Where is she?
Mom, can you pass me the red thing over there?
Here's the tagline. You ready? How'd it go? Everything good? Good job? Good job? She can't hear us.
No, she's confused.
Get it. That's it. See ya.